So another known area where rust sits, behind the rear bumper support. Obviously there's rust on here as well, and this is the lip that goes into the boot where it's rusting. So I'm going to get all that off, and then obviously sort all this out as well. It's the rusty car that keeps on giving. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of, once I got the wire wheel, it didn't look like there was that many rust spots. As soon as I got the wire wheel on it, off came the paint and the little rust spots all over this panel and obviously behind the crash structure. So what I've done is I masked it off where this panel line is, sanded it all back, cleaned it, and now I'm going to put some rust killer on it. Because obviously we want to try and stop it coming back. Can't say it won't, but the more prep you do, hopefully the better the outcome. That's the plan anyway. So it's all been rust killed. As you can see, the rust killer's on there. It's starting to all turn black, like purpley black where all the rust is. So hopefully that's killing that off. I'll give it a clean after that. Then I'm going to prime it up, top coat it, and hopefully that bit will be the first bit that's done. So this is the rear crash bar. Pretty bad rust on that. So nothing for it other than you could sandblast it. I haven't got access to a sandblaster, so just going to angry wheel it. So I haven't completely finished it yet, but I've gone over with the wire wheel on the grinder and on the drill. Try to get off most of the really flaky stuff. Still looks pretty grim, doesn't it? But this can always be replaced, but I'm just going to try and prolong its life a little bit. So I'm going to rust kill all of that, wait for that to go off, then I'm going to red oxide primer it, and then I'm going to top coat it. Should come up alright. So it's all been prepped, and now I'm going to spray it with some red oxide primer. Going to spray some top coat, see how it goes. First time I've ever done this. Right, that's way too speckly.